You know, it's almost like your birthday with a package from China, so let's go. Alright, let's take a close look at the system itself. It comes with some manuals. This one is in German language. What is this? This one is in English, so this is the way how you need to connect it to your television. I'm going to grab my old one, my old television here. And here we even have some explanation. And look at this. Telcel.com. So they even sold it at Telcel? Wow, alright, that's a new one. The system itself. It's indeed a rip-off of the N64. Look at it. Even the feet. Oh my god. We're going to do one by one comparison here in this video, but alright, the system itself. Even the controllers are, let's say, I wouldn't say one-on-one copy of course, because they are totally different, but still got a little bit of the form. So that's really funny. Power supply, light gun, I cannot test it out. Sorry guys, I don't have an old CRT laying around anymore. The composite cable, and ooh, even having full SCART, so that's very promising. So this is what we're going to get, and of course here at the bottom we are finding the second controller and the cartridge itself. That seems to be a multi-game card. Nice. So a small comparison, and as you can see, I hope you can see it on the camera, it looks a little bit like N64, but the measurements of the system itself are totally different. Alright, let's plug in the game. Let's add the controller, power it on, and let's go! So this is the first thing we are getting to see. 101 in games. I think I need to press the start button. Oh, we have that sound. Bleep, bleep. So yeah, a lot of Aladdin, number 3. What? Select we go to the other page. Gradius? Seriously? So, there are some licensed games on this system. Alright, 1942. And it's indeed 1942. Huh. How does the controls respond? Oh, wrong button. I did that loop again. What? Oh, there are the turbo buttons. Because it's an A-based system, so that means we only have an A and B. And the other two buttons are turbo buttons. I love the turbo buttons. Let's reset. Goes back to the 101 menu. Aladdin number 3. Okay. Oh, I have seen this one before. It's more like a shoot 'em up. You can find these games on Chinese multi-game cards from nowadays. Nice game. Alright, let's try Adventure Island. Oh, there was no intro or intro music. Wow, everything looks horrible. It's even glitching out. Wow. Oh, forgot my hammer. Go away. Come on. Nice game. Love this reset button. Badminton, no. B-Wing. What is B-Wing? Oh wait, yeah, I remember it. Yes, this is more like a shoot 'em up where you can choose your power from the beginning. Why can I use the D-pad? Nothing's happening. Oh, need to wait. Oh yeah. Oh, I played this game as a child. Yeah, I can remember it. Really cool. Reset. Okay. All of the games are running on Paul. Oh, Circus Charlie. Of course this one needs to be on this thing. And also this card which glitch out a little bit. What is glitchy card in this game? Grab the money, become famous, get some loot. I'm okay. Oh. Obvious moment, by the way, right? Let's see what kind of games are interesting. City Connection, Circus Charlie, no, Gradius, we know that one. Alright, Mappy, Circus Adventure. So I'm curious, so this thing plays basically NES or Famicom games. Would a new generation card work on this device? So that's something we're going to test out about, not now. Happy Adventure? Serious? Oh, this is, oh my god. I'm going to speedrun this one. I never played the stage, by the way, so the first time. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yes, it's working. So that means this thing is basically a Famicom player. So that's really cool. And nowadays we can buy a lot of great multi-game cards. So combined with this Remix 1 and 2, we have this ultimate, yeah, I can say ultimate NES system. We have all the great games, not like the crappy multi-game card that came with this one.